Ever pondered over the perfect cooling system for your building? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of HVAC systems, specifically variable refrigerant flow or VRF systems. Starting with VRF systems, these are the little dynamos of the HVAC world. Ideal for small to medium-sized buildings, they shine when there are multiple zones with diverse cooling or heating needs. Picture a multi-story office building. The accounting department on the top floor might need more cooling as it gets the brunt of the afternoon sun, while the ground floor cafeteria might need less. A VRF system is just the ticket for such a scenario. Its design flexibility and zoning capabilities allow for precise temperature control in each area. Tailor-made comfort, wouldn't you agree? Now, let's shift gears and move on to chiller systems. These are the heavyweights, often found in larger buildings with centralized cooling needs. Imagine a sprawling hospital or a massive shopping mall. These structures typically have consistent cooling loads. A chiller system steps up to the plate in such cases, utilizing a network of chilled water pipes to cool the entire building uniformly. It's like a single, steady breeze that covers every corner. But as with all things, there's more to consider beyond just size. For instance, the installation and maintenance of a chiller system can be more complex and costly than a VRF system. On the other hand, VRF systems can offer higher energy efficiency, potentially reducing long-term operation costs. It's a bit of a balancing act, really. To sum it all up, the choice between a VRF and a chiller system boils down to the specific needs of your building. VRF systems offer flexibility and individualized comfort for small to medium-sized buildings with diverse cooling needs. On the flip side, chiller systems provide consistent, centralized cooling for larger structures with uniform cooling loads. So, the next time you find yourself mulling over the cooling needs of a building, remember, there's a system for every situation. Whether it's the agile VRF or the robust chiller, make sure to weigh the pros and cons before making your decision. Because at the end of the day, comfort is key, and the right HVAC system is your ticket to achieving it.